DJM TV.
Necessary for me to address you this morning following the unfortunate events in our I have consistently maintained that the NSAS protest is a laudable one that has drawn national attention and outcry to the brutalities Nigerians, particularly the youth, have endured in the hands of the disbanded Special Anti-Robbery Squad. I commend our youth for rising to the occasion and organizing themselves in such an impressive and spectacular fashion. The nation heard their voices loud and clear, and all that now remains is for both the national and sub-national governments to take the appropriate remedial measures, which include embarking on total and comprehensive reform of the Nigerian police and our governance systems. Unfortunately, unlike what we have seen in the last 2 weeks, cases of arson, looting, and other violent conduct have crept in. It does appear the NSAS protests have been hijacked by some misguided and opportunistic elements. This sad situation threatens to plunge the state into chaos and anarchy. It is a clear and present danger that we must stop from happening. Only last night, some government buildings were burnt in Asaba. Following the directive of the National Economic Council, I have inaugurated a judicial panel of inquiry to investigate cases of police brutality in Delta State, as well as set up a victim support fund. I am confident that justice will be served and grieving families will be able to have closure when the panel concludes their work. I therefore want to appeal to our youths to remain calm, law-abiding, and give peace a chance. I want you to consider yourselves as having won this battle. The government is on your side. We are committed to righting the wrongs of the past. However, for us to be able to do that, we need an atmosphere of peace and security. We obviously cannot make progress in an atmosphere of unease. When public buildings are being touched, roads are being blocked, and when citizens are not allowed to go about their normal businesses. I urge our youth to please leave the streets, sheath their swords, and monitor the response from the government. I also appeal to parents and guardians to ensure that their children and wards are properly accounted for. I urge our traditional rulers and our opinion leaders to please lend their voice to this appeal. And our various youth leaders and mobilizers are influencers, even in the social media. It's a time for us to have everything. Our cause is just, we agree. But I believe that as a state, it is the responsibility of all of us to defend our state. And we do not want unscrupulous elements, many of whom have come from other states, to destroy that which each and every one of us have labored for. From all intelligence reports, the people who caused the crisis of last night are not from Delta State, but the opportunities of the protest has given rise to this. I want to please appeal to the conscience of our youths. While we have the right to air our grievances, I believe that we all collectively need to defend our state. We need to be able to conserve resources even at this very critical time of global economic downturn. We cannot afford to allow miscreants from other states to destroy that which we have built over the past few years. The security of the state is a shared responsibility and one that we must all take very seriously. Once again, I congratulate our youth for pursuing a worthy cause and employ them to embrace peace and dialogue at this moment. And please, I employ them to give the government a chance to address the wrongs and to address the recommendations that they have made. I also want to use this opportunity to call on the youth leadership to please make themselves available for us to dialogue and to ensure they are part of the processes of the Judicial Panel of Inquiry into the brutalities of the Nigerian police, particularly the defunct SARS. I believe that when they cooperate with the Judicial Panel and all cases of brutality and killings are brought to the fore, then and only then can the government attend to grieving families and also ensure that those policemen who are directly or indirectly involved are brought to book. As I congratulate you, I pray that we all continue to pray for our dear State Delta. In the meantime, I have ordered the closure of all public and private primary and secondary schools in Delta State until Monday, November 2nd, 2020. And because of the incidents that took place last night, I hereby impose a 48-hour curfew starting 6 p.m. today, October 22, 2020. It therefore means that everybody is expected to sit at home, excepting those on very essential service in the next 48 hours starting 6 p.m. today. Thereafter, we'll review the situation and know what next steps to take. I appeal to our youths for cooperation. It is not about you. It is not about the protest that you have started. We believe in your cause, we support your cause. But unfortunately, the process is already being hijacked by criminals. A lot of robbery took place along the expressway by those who ordinarily shouldn't have been part of the protest, because the protest was well intended. But unfortunately, these criminal elements have hijacked the process. I want to thank all Deltans for their continuing cooperation and pray that together we will overcome this. Thank you. God bless Delta State. God bless our nation, Nigeria. God bless us all.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Aguloru, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars vi0l, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, vi0l TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am vi0l. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.